How's it going? Practice figure 1 walkthrough. We did this on September 29th and the 30th in classes, and this figure is real nice because there's a lot of symmetry. So we're going to reproduce this in a way where we can use the mirror tool. I'm going to recreate this bottom left quadrant here, and I'm going to end up mirroring it over a couple times. So let's go ahead and start. Origin point I'm going to set to this point here. We know this line here is 1.5, and we know this edge here is 2.5. All these gaps are 0.5. In between, I'm going to need half of this line drawn so I can use it in a mirror. So add these up, should equal to 4. 5.5 minus 4 is 1.5, so I know this edge here is 1.5, so I'll draw this line to 0.75, half of it. And this edge here is 2, draw half of it to 1. Let's get started. I'm going to start origin. 90 degrees, polar snap 1.5, and 0 degrees, polar snap 2.5. Put in my model view. Line command, 0, 0, first point, polar snap 2.5, okay. Is that right? Yes, okay. Vertical now, so 90 degrees, polar snap, I forget the dimension, 1.5. Okay. All right, good. This line here is 1 inch, 1 inch, come down to 0.5, and then come across and complete the figure. So we're going to draw a line, 1 inch, polar snap to 270, come down 0.5, and then we're going to snap here, pan up, intersection, and complete the figure. Okay? Ooh, zoomed out way too much. My mouse wheel, very sensitive. Okay, so gap here of 0.5, and then we're going to start a line, draw 0.75, half of whatever this line is, add these up, subtract by 5.5, 1.5, so 0.75. All right, line, snap, pan up. You get that following green extension line. That means we want a certain distance away. How far away? 0.5 inches away. There it is. Good. And then we want the actual line to be 0.75. Okay. And 2 inches. So this line is 2 inches. Same idea. Line command, snap to there, and then pan to snap to the points. Pan there. You get that trailing green line. So it's an extension. How far away do you want to be from there? We want to be 0.5 inches away. Okay, there we go, 0.5 inches away. And then we want to be a 1 inch line because it's half of the 2. Perfect. And then we're just kind of connecting these two lines together. Click, snap, pan up, intersection, click, and click. All right. So I have drawn one quadrant of this. So now what I'm going to do is, because of the symmetry of this, I'm going to just mirror this over and then mirror the entire bottom up. So what we're going to do is use the mirror tool. Under modify, the mirror tool's right here. Select objects. You can hold shift and select multiple lines, or you can draw a box around everything to select all. Good. Hit enter. Mirror, specify first point of mirror line. So I want mirror line to be here. And you can see as I move this, it kind of follows it. There we go. And we want to snap to that 90-degree polar snap line, and we'll click anywhere there. Mirror, erase source objects. No, we don't want to erase source objects. No. Good. We're going to do it one more time now. Mirror, select objects, draw a box around here. Good. Confirm selection. Good. Specify first point mirror line here. Click. You see how that follows. So click anywhere there. Good. Mirror, erase source objects. No, we don't want to erase source objects. All right, all our visible lines are drawn. Looks good. Yep. All right, let's get this centered and scaled. Double click in viewport, it activates. I'm going to pan to bring this to the center. Okay. Perfect. Double click in the gray to deactivate. We can check scale because this might be a little bit compact for a 1-to-1 scale. So we can use a 1 to 2 scale if you like. It's maybe a little bit too small. So it's up to you at this point. If you want to use a 1 to 2 scale, that's fine. Use the 1 to 2 scale, but make sure you change the dim style to 1 to 2. I'm going to use a 1 to 1. I'll just get these things squished in. All right, let's go dimension, model view. We're going to make sure we're set to 1 to 1 scale. We are. All right, let's annotate. And so what I'm going to have to kind of spread these out a little bit. We'll put that 0.5 there. I'm going to put the entire base dimension down here. And then what I'll do is I'll put these dimensions up here. Since we can't stack them, we're going to run out of space. Inline. I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to take this guy out here. I don't like how he is. Perfect. We need an entire height here. Okay. We need dimensions for what else? Here to here. Get that to, I think we just need the 2 more dimensions. Perfect. I think that should be everything we need. Check it out on the view. Looks good. I'm gonna call. Oh, I don't. Just pan this up just a tiny bit. There we go. Call this practice figure 1, and so you're gonna actually submit this to Canvas. The first assignments, you'll submit the Canvas. Practice figure 1, good. Let's save. Okay, and let it save. And now we're gonna plot the PDF. Good. And so you send in to Canvas under the assignment the PDF. Make sure you kind of don't lose track of these things you download. And here is what it looks like. Cool. This is what you're gonna send me. Perfect. Looks good. All right. That's your Intro 3 walkthrough.